One thing that I've always noticed the difference of, especially say you get the fast food chains in the UK or even in the US, McDonald's, KFC, Domino's, etc. Is the taste the same? Yeah, a lot of people do ask that, and well, I can certainly say that KFC is different. The recipe is not the same as it is in the UK and even other places in Europe as well. But I would say McDonald's, some of it is, the fries are, but the burgers are totally different. But one that I want to check out now is Domino's. There's a Domino's actually here, and so I want to see if Domino's here is similar to the Domino's in the UK. So I'm not sure actually, because I can't remember the last time I ate at Domino's. I'm pretty sure I have. I do try and avoid Western foods when I am in India because there's so much local cuisine, so much local food to have. So I just want to try this out as an experiment, as a science experiment. I was a bit hesitant actually because I didn't want to order Domino's, but I'm thinking actually, is it different to the one in the UK? Let's find out. I want to order myself just looking at their menu, Mexican Green Wave. That sounds alright. Mexican Green Wave, Mexican Wave. I did spend a year in Mexico actually, so Mexican Green Wave. Let's see what the Mexican Green Wave is like. Is it going to be anything like we have in the UK, or is it going to be totally different? Let's have a look. So this is the Domino's Mexican Green Wave pizza, and at first glance it doesn't look like a Domino's pizza. Let's see if it's, well, the bottom of it does look like a Domino's pizza, but I think looking at it, I would actually, if I didn't see the box there, I would think that it's from another pizza place. It doesn't look like a Domino's pizza. But let's see what the taste is like, because there's a lot going on in it. There's a lot of things on here. Just having a look. It's got jalapeno peppers. It's got bell peppers, onions, tomato, cheese and tomato base. But it's got a lot going on. It does look rather filling, to be honest. But does it look like a Domino's pizza? I don't know. I don't think. For me, I don't think it does. But if someone thinks it does, then do let me know. But I don't think it does look like a Domino's pizza. Maybe I think a bit like the McDonald's and the KFCs, there's certain tastes that I think the companies cater for in India that for some reason moves them away from the stores that we're used to in the West. McDonald's have a number of burgers that you'd never get in the UK or elsewhere. KFC have, the recipe is not the same, the kernels, whatever, how many herbs and spices it uses, it's not the same. I don't know what the number is, 18 or 22 or 12 or whatever it is. Regardless of whatever number it is not the recipe. So maybe Domino's same. They don't have the same sort of recipes, I guess, is the only thing I can come up with, because it does look different. But let's have a look what the taste is like. The proof is in the tasting actually. So let's have a look what this Mexican Green Wave tastes like. So let me have a look at this Mexican Green Wave slice. It's actually not that bad. I think there's enough flavour in here. It's actually quite spicy as well. I don't think that was a jalapeno pepper that I bit into, but I think there's quite a lot of spice. I think it's quite good. I think this is quite good. I was ready to knock this actually, because I didn't think that it looked like a Domino's pizza, but I actually would buy this. I think the taste of it is fantastic. I don't know if there's a Mexican Green Wave Domino's pizza in England, but if there is, I'll try and do a sample of it. But I'm trying to eat this New York style now, folding it. This is actually quite good. I will give it for Domino's at Delhi Airport. It is a good Domino's. And maybe the chain of Domino's all over India. I like this. So, would I eat at Domino's again? Probably not in the country if I'm traveling around. If I'm at the airport, yes, I probably would. Because it is rather filling, and I don't really like aeroplane food. So Domino's gets a thumbs up from me.